In front of me is OnePlus Nord 5 and today I would like to show you how you can select and add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now to add a video file, use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Now, if you want to take a video and add it, hit video here, pick your camera, and simply record it. It will be automatically added when you're done. If you want to add already existing video, click on the same icon, scroll and tap on it here. If you can't find it, you can scroll all the way down and click on Folders at the bottom left corner. Then find your video here and tap on it to attach it. Then hit Done at the bottom right corner and swipe up. To create audio file, use this icon at the bottom right corner as well. Operate those buttons and hit Attach to add your recording. If you want to add already existing one, use this plus at the bottom left corner instead. Hit Files, select Audio at the top, look for your file in one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. After finding your file, tap on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!